Thank you for stopping by. And this is the last episode, 58 DeSoto Resto Mod, Part 7. A lot of these are just going to be pictures of the final product. And here you can see sometimes I have light bucket. I had two sets of light buckets. One was original silver, the other was black. And a lot of times when I photographed the car, I would take off that passenger side mirror because I always wanted to look as though that's the way it came. Silly me. But anyway, I'm not going to talk too much about this. The last part of these pictures, you'll see the gentleman who I sold the car to, and it was at one of the World of Wheels shows in the early 90s in DC. And that, by the way, is the old Lake Braddock before they went and chopped it up and made that big nasty thing. I was probably able to drive this car about 6 years. I enjoyed every second of it. Talk about a car that could steal some looks away from a Superbird. This was it. The last picture that you'll see, I think, sums it all up. It was in a Christmas parade in Manassas, Virginia. And thanks for watching all of those episodes. I really appreciate it. Take care. Once again, I wanted to thank everybody for watching all of the previous episodes of the 58 DeSoto Resto Mod. I also would like to thank Mr. Logan, who I sold the car to. He did, in fact, spend quite a few more dollars redoing a few of the items that I did, and he decided he wanted to try to make it look even more stock, even though it wasn't the stock color. But anyway, I think it all turned out just fine. Take care, and thank you very much.